I say. You two are grounded 1 week. No Star Wars, and I want all this cleaned up.
No, that's not checkmate, Michael. You can't do that. I'll show you can't. No! Hey! Hey, those are mine!
There's some clothes I don't put in the laundry just because, like this shirt. Oh, I want! So Aaron and I are beginning a search for a real-life Pikachu. We understand that they eat a lot of berries, and their natural habitat is a forest. So we're gonna begin our search in Los Angeles. Okay, this is day 1, and we're looking for Pikachu. Yes, the Pokemon.
Oh, is that?
Yeah, I saw that. No,
Okay, no.
Yeah, it got me though. Okay, so it's the second night. We're getting posted here, looking for Pikachu, and you know, settling into bed and just staying really alert is, I think, the key tonight. What are you doing? Okay, I guess it's just me. So it's day 5 here, looking for the Pikachu, and you never know when you're gonna find it, but we're not really discouraged because we haven't seen anything yet. Dude, Pokeball! You see that? Dude, ah!
No one's gonna believe this. Oh my gosh, we got a Pikachu.
Put him down on the chair, right there. Okay, so we just got a Pikachu. You gotta check this guy out.
Pikachu?
Oh my gosh, come on, Pikachu! Oh, he just talked and you get. Oh my gosh, dude, he just talked. Okay, here, hold the camera. I want to hold him. Pikachu, talk. Hey,
Pika.
Did you get that?
Oh yeah.
Bam, just Instagrammed him. Good job. High five. Okay.
Pika, pika.
Oh my god.
Oh, turn it off. Stupid cat. Hate cats. Hang on.